Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card that I use my own design, if you can say. That is a wedge. I color her in a scrap of paper and then I transfer to watercolor paper. And I'm going to color her with these watercolor papers. With these watercolors that I didn't like. I tried to make the colors lighter, but they did have like bits and pieces of the color. I don't know if that's the way it dissolves in water. And then I rather to use the colors a little bit darker uh, than I was planned to. I was trying to make a soft hat dress for the witch, but I didn't like it the way it go with the gray. Then I decided to go all the way to the opposite side and make her dress super dark. Then I going to add the background yellow, light yellow and dark yellow, and I also going to add glitter in her dress. After I finish doing all the coloring, I'm going to start adding some details in the card. While coloring her face, I want to say that I have been super busy lately because on the month of November, the 7th and 8th of November, I'm going to participate in a caravan craft, and that's what is keeping me busy. I was really was planning to make a lot of Halloween cards because I love Halloween. But my plan was cut short because of this. This is my first time participating in event like this. I'm selling my stuff. I never sell my stuff. I keep everything for me. But let's see how it goes. That's what is keeping me busy. In the video that I'm going to add later, maybe tomorrow, I'm going to show a little bit of what I am doing for this caravan craft. But I'm really sorry that I didn't commit completely to these 31 cards for Halloween. Maybe next year I'm going to be more prepared for the event if I participate again. I really don't know how everything is going to go. Back to the card, I added the hair of this witch, but you will see this hair will change because I feel it was a little bit plain. It doesn't look bad, but a little bit plain. And then I add white hair with white gel pen, like she have those oats that I'm not sure, the white hair that witches have. But when I see her in the car, I didn't like it that much. It looked like she have a kind of a glow instead hair. And then I decided to add black hair. You won't see on camera the black hair that I added, but you will see it in the last part of the card. I will explain how the card changed and why the card changed like that. I'm just going around with the green watercolor, and then I changed that for black everywhere because the nails of the witch look like, you will see I will add the nails, and the nails of the witch look like they are flying, they are not attached to their fingers. And the way to attach the nails to the hands was with the black gel pen, and I add black gel pen everywhere. I'm also going to add eyelashes in her eyes. That these are doll eyelashes. They are very small, very easy to apply. You will see that later on in the video. I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead, but I like to explain things that way you can see the video while I'm playing a little bit of music. Well, I am not going to play. I'm going to put some music, and you will see here I adding the cheeks. No, with watercolor paints. I adding with the chalk, my color chalks. Now that I finished adding some details and finished coloring her, I going to glue her to a orangey paper. Is not that orange like Halloween orange. It's more like I don't know what is color is, pumpkin. I don't know, but it's kind of orange color. I adding glossy accents in the word, eyes, and in the spider. And while this is dry, I'm going to cut some letters that say Happy Halloween. These letters are from Cece's, and the collections of these letters, I'm looking for it. It calls Girls Are Weird. Is the name of those letters. And I'm going to add eyes for the spider. Googly eye for the spider. And you will see I'm going to separate the letters. I'm going to put the happy in the top and Halloween in the bottom of the card. I adding more white hair to the witch, and you will see that. And after the pictures, I will show a little video showing how the card changed. Okay. I adding a little bit of sparkle to the letters, and I also going to glue a white cardstock paper inside the car for sentiments or whatever you want later on. I normally don't add anything inside the cars. I just add it when I'm going to give the car away. Like I say, I don't sell my stuff, but I give some of my stuff away to friends and family. I added Nubo drops around the witch in the car because I feel that I need to break a little bit that yellow. Yeah, and I use these Nubo drops that I love, the Nubo drops, but I never get to use them as much because I never remember that I have them. But I need to try to remember more often. In this part of the car, I always used to say thank you for watching my videos until next car and goodbye, but you will see after these pictures I'm going to show you how the car changed. As you see, she has like a little bit of glow. Well, I add black hair with my gel pen, and I also add a spider web because when I touch the car to take the pictures, my Nubo drops still wet, and I didn't see that coming. And all the part of the car was all in black. I erased the black with my mono sun eraser, and then add the spider web. And that's it. Well, now thank you for watching my videos. Until next car, goodbye.